you go, Mummy Truck. Your indicators will work fine now. Lucky I always carry spare bulbs. It's Molly playing with her favourite toy. And Baby Truck too. Make sure you share it. Poor Baby Truck. You've got a boo-boo, but you'll be okay, I promise. Molly? Let's take a look at you now, Molly. Are you okay? Huh? Oh no! Molly is leaking oil. I don't have the tools to fix her here. We need to get you back to the garage. Fast! I'm going to need your help, Baby Truck. Can you keep the road clear so I can get Molly to the garage quickly? Everyone, let's move at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Huh? Oh no! Eric and Dylan are blocking the road. Thanks, Eric and Dylan. Well done, Baby Truck. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Don't worry, Molly, we're here for you. Our fix will make you good as new. Teamwork and tools will help us mend any part of any friend. We weld and fix and check and then stick all the parts together again. This fix has made you as strong as before, so you won't leak oil anymore. Oh, we couldn't have done it without your help, Baby Truck. Oh, and look! Blue's fixed the toy truck. Well done, Blue. And great sharing, you two. I'm so proud of you both. Bye, everyone.